Talking about gold. So on the last update, we talked about after this early drop in the starting of the week, what do we have? This whole corrective pattern, internal bullish structure I talked about. So what's happening now is price is still bullish, and until and unless it does not give us any internal shift, we cannot look for selling opportunities. But yes, selling is high probability, but we have to wait for either of the supplies or any internal shifts in the market. So I'm still expecting price to push higher in this zone deeper, or it might take out this high around 2680 or 90, which will be high probability to drop. It's all corrective. If I mark it properly, impulse, complex correction, and somewhere we will see another impulse sooner or later. So that's all for gold.